Good afternoon. So we're going to go over today some general tips when you're having Bluetooth connectivity issues between your hearing devices that are paired to your iPhone. So if you ever experience an inability of the phone to connect to your hearing instruments, we want you to go through these just simple steps before repairing the devices. So the first step I want you to consider is to just turn your Bluetooth on and off. So there's a couple of ways that you can do it. I have a newer iPhone, so if you swipe down, if you swipe down from the right side, you'll see this screen. If you just turn your Bluetooth off, it will be white when it's off, and turn it back on. And if you do that and your hearing instruments are connected to your phone and communicating, you will see this satellite dish here. It will be blue and pulsing. If that happens, most likely your problem is solved. The second thing that you may want to consider is to just power down your phone and restart it. So we recommend closing all of your open apps, as well as clearing your browsing history on your browsers, and then go ahead and power down the phone and restart the phone. If you do that and you still are not having the functionality of the two devices communicating with your phone, then you'll have to go through the unpairing and repairing process. Oftentimes we find this may be most necessary if you have just upgraded your operating system from, say, 12 to 13, 10 to 11, those bigger jumps in operating systems versus the smaller jumps. I hope you found this helpful. You have a fantastic day.